नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका ध्रुव कोचिंग क्लासेस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज हमारे साथ रौनक जाजू हैं और इनके बारे में बताना चाहूंगी। ही इज अ स्टार डीसीसीएन। जून 2018 बैच से हैं। उस समय इन्होंने सीएमए कंप्लीट किया था। और जैसा कि आपको पता है, वी आर इनटू सीरीज कि आफ्टर सीएमए लाइफ कैसी होती है, क्यों सीएमए करना चाहिए, सीएमए करने के बाद मार्केट में करियर ऑप्शंस क्या हैं। तो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि हमने पिछले कुछ इंटरव्यूज में आपको कुछ लोगों से मिलवाया हु आर क्वालिफाइड सीएमएज एंड इनटू इंडस्ट्री। और हमारे नेक्स्ट गेस्ट हैं आज के रौनक। रौनक के बारे में बात करूं तो
Yeah,
मेरी बहुत जब ये पढ़ते थे ना, सो ही इज वन ऑफ दी आर स्टूडेंट्स। बड़ा डिसेंट सा इनका बिहेवियर होता था, सो दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर हिम। और इंटेलिजेंट तो डेफिनेटली हैं। तो रौनक से बात करते हैं। तो रौनक, सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए कि हाँ, आफ्टर 12th कॉमर्स फ्रॉम एमपीएस जवाहर नगर, वन ऑफ द रेप्यूटेटेड स्कूल इन जयपुर, वो हाउ ट्रिगर्ड यू अबाउट द सीएमए? कैसे आपको लगा मुझे सीएमए कर लेना चाहिए?
yeah. First of all, hi to ma'am. Thanks for all your senior leadership. It's actually possible before because of you guys only. How you motivated. So yeah, moving back to the question, how it got triggered for me to do the CMA. So basically, from starting only, I've been into commerce background. Thanks to MPS Jawaharnagar also that we have been well taught about what are the options available to us.
ओके।
We have a quite distinguished campus. There's a career placement program organized
ओके।
where we were taught about CMA, CA, almost everything, sir, architectural engineering, what are the different scope available. But
ओके।
I was more keen towards the finance sector only. And from starting, I have a very clear thought that I want to pursue my career in commerce background only. So then I moved towards CMA only.
So during your CMA, how was your experience with DCC?
Yeah. So it was a very well, matlab, when I just joined, actually, matlab, I would be saying thank you. Matlab, I was in the starting phase. Matlab, there very few of the candidates were available. So such a personal connect with ma'am, sir was so available. Whatever any sorts of doubt, even though in teacher, faculty, well, my experience is at very higher level. I can't tell you in words that how much cooperation I've received. Matlab, when even though in faculty, teaching timelines, matlab, how the duration would be there. If we wanted to shift some classes, that it's something is not possible. So that sort of support we are also getting as that number of strength was quite, matlab, average only 10 to 15%. So my touch with DCC was quite, matlab, it's like a family to me only. It was quite good, man.
एंड यू नो, ये सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमें लगता है जब ये कहते हैं कि डीसीसी इज लाइक अ फैमिली फॉर अस। सो
Mm.
सीएमए करने के बाद रौनक का कैंपस प्लेसमेंट रहा था। ठीक है। सो रौनक, विच वाज योर फर्स्ट कंपनी फ्रॉम द कैंपस?
Yeah, for my campus, matlab, I'm glad to say, matlab, around 10, 11 big companies were coming in my Delhi campus. And I got shortlisted for around 8 to 9. So all due to the campus recruitment program. So and then I was sitting in the most of the interviews. Then I got finalized on second day for Cripco Fertilizer. This was
ओके।
a prominent quasi-government company into the fertilizer sector. If you have heard about IFCO and Cripco, so these are very giant companies, more towards the rural India.
सो रौनक, मैं जो ट्रेंड देखती हूँ सीएमएस का, every CMA, I would not say every, usually CMAs are very inclined towards the government companies और सेमी गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज। तो आपको ऐसा क्या हुआ कि आपको तो सेमी गवर्नमेंट कंपनी मिली थी एंड यू लेफ्ट दैट?
Yeah, matlab, so there is a big story regarding this. Even though at the campus placement also, I was looking for some private players only.
ओके।
It was an accidentally, matlab, I got interviewed there, and my interview got so much of get. Matlab, there was a very big panel around 8 to 9, just like a typical government company,
ओके।
and they really liked me. Something, matlab, it was in my destiny that I would go to some government company, so I got it there. But yeah, I have a very rich experience there. I learned certain sorts of ethics, paper building, what code of conduct as a government employee you should be owning, about accountability of your things. So many things I've learned, but after a certain course of times, around 2 to 3 years, I start realizing that there is a stagnant growth there.
ओके, व्हाट
Learning
काइंड ऑफ
opportunities are
स्टेटमेंट?
there, but not at that pace which I was looking forward. And my personal point of view, when I look after 10 to 15 years or 20 years, a current, even though government companies also, this is my personal point of view only, that even for the government department also, it's not just like that how uh, previous 20-25 years has went. The government would be run by only those who are actually capable enough, not only those who are selected for government.
ओके,
If you are but now also you can see that there are many vacancies coming at higher level, that are many prominent players are coming from private companies to government companies to lead those things. So the most important thing to survive in future is that you should have a subsequent skills to develop. So that was the main reason I don't want something at a lower pace. I don't want to settle for less. So I look for the opportunities and then I change.
सो मतलब ये देखिए, ये एक डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. एवरीवन डाइज फॉर दी गवर्नमेंट और सेमी गवर्नमेंट कंपनी, और इन्हें लगा कि यार ये 10 से 5 वाली नौकरी, इट्स नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. सो हाउ मेनी इयर्स यू स्पेंट विद द क्रिप्को?
Uh, I have a stretch around 3 years.
3 years. And after that, which company you chose?
Post that I moved to Tata Motors.
Okay.
So I'm
So
currently also in Tata Motors. Yeah.
अच्छा. हाँ, तो अभी रौनक टाटा मोटर्स में कैंपस इनका क्रिप्को में सिलेक्शन हुआ, 3 साल काम किया, अभी टाटा मोटर्स में है. सो मुझे बताइए कि कैंपस प्लेसमेंट जैसे हो गया, उसके बाद मार्केट में जब आपने नई नौकरी ढूंढी, यू सीक फॉर अनदर जॉब बिकॉज यू वर प्लानिंग टू लीव द क्रिप्को, सो क्या लगा आपको? इज इट अ स्ट्रगल कि सीएमए को नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, या बहुत ज्यादा मारामारी है जॉब की? कैसे नौकरी, अगली नौकरी कैसे ढूंढूं? क्या एक्सपीरियंस?
No, to be really frank with you, even though for me and my related colleagues also, matlab, what I have seen, matlab, if you have a good exposure as a starting company, matlab, if you have started working for few years, then it's not a big deal. You will start getting the opportunities from different companies.
ओके.
It is cyclic. Sometimes it is cyclic, like just like Corona, the vacancies would be lower, or that is something cyclic, but you will get vacancies. Now it is up to you. Matlab, I wanted something role specific. So I was looking forward for that thing. And then I got a good opportunities. Matlab, it's up to you. But you will definitely get opportunities easily if you want to switch.
अच्छा. और व्हाट इज द एवरेज हाइक, रौनक, जब एक कंपनी छोड़ के आप दूसरी कंपनी ढूंढने जाते हैं, बीइंग अ सीएमए इन द मार्केट, सो व्हाट आफ्टर 2 or 3 year of experience, so what is the average hike you can get easily?
Yeah. So if you are spending something around 2 to 3 years in a company, that is a very substantial figure. Even though companies also like they have given you a payback period if you have worked for 3 years. So it shows you the accountability towards companies also, and then you're moving to new company. I think 30-35% is a ballpark figure. It's you will get it easily. So, matlab, if you are looking after a change for 3 years, definitely, matlab, you would be aiming for a much higher figure. Definitely, you should have that skill set before asking for something. But yeah, matlab, even though with normal skill set, if you have a good interview round, you managed to do 30-35% is on the rolls for you. You will easily get it.
ओके.
For achieving 45-50%, ask, matlab, you need to show something extra, matlab, little bit presence in that interview that you got some extra skill sets. But that is also achievable. That's totally achievable if you are moving after 2 to 3 years, spending some time in single company.
ठीक है. सो ये बड़ा इनलाइटन करने वाली चीज है, जितने भी लोग इस इंटरव्यू को देखेंगे, कि भाई आपने अगर 2-3 साल किसी अच्छे ब्रांड के साथ अच्छे प्रोफाइल में काम कर लिया, तो 30-35% हाइक आपको आराम से मिलेगी, और अगर आप केपेबल हैं तो 40-50% तक भी इसको लेके जा सकते हैं. एंड तो जैसे अभी हम लोग बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स से ऐसा मिलते हैं, 12th कॉमर्स में है, दे आर वेरी डाउटफुल अबाउट द करियर एज अ सीएमए. कई कई बार हमें ऐसा भी सुनने को मिलता है कि भाई सीएमए करने के बाद हमें जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी, या करियर कैसा होगा. तो आप इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि मार्केट में सीएमए की क्या डिमांड है, और एज अ करियर सीएमए ऑप्शन ऑप्ट करने में रिस्क फैक्टर कितना है?
I would add on this thing with few facts. Uh, First of all, ये doubt सबके मन में आता है, genuine है. But
बिल्कुल.
even though काफी बच्चों के मन में डिफरेंसेस भी आते हैं कि सीए और सीएमए में देयर इज अ डिफरेंस,
बिल्कुल
कि
बिल्कुल।
सीए वगैरह को मिल जाएगा, सीएमए को इतना पैकेज नहीं मिलेगा, और देयर वुड बी स्ट्रगल अराउंड दिस थिंग.
हम्म
But if I leave that the consultancies or the auditing firms, if
हम्म,
you're not into that, if you're into core manufacturing industry, my personal experience is like, matlab, from life, matlab, almost like 5.5 to 6 years, I've been handling role which were, matlab, even more than CA only. I've been working with CA, CMS both only. So thankfully seeing this thing that I always get a profile which always CA would be handling those things. So it's
ओके
not like that if you are a CMA, you won't get a good profile in that company. Although you both are ranked at a similar place only if you're going into a manufacturing, or there may be in some companies, there will be few level of adjustment there would be there. But in terms of work and knowledge, there is not much partiality between this thing. If you
ओके
are willingly to work, if you have that zeal to work for that work profile, you will easily get that thing. I have a very good exposure in costing, indirect taxation, sales finance. Even though now also whenever I want to switch, my managers are very okay with me that really if you wanted to move to some different profile or you want to look forward, this is not an option. They don't ask me that you are a C or a CMA. I've never heard this question in my 5.5 years of experience. Thankfully, to companies which I choose, maybe it can be case. But yeah, if you are more towards the manufacturing companies now, more towards the costing background, so this is not a point between the differentiation. And that's a very good lifestyle. I must say, it's not like that you won't be getting. There would be little efforts at the campus placement. There is always a little head start if you get a campus recruitment. I do believe in that, but there are opportunities afterwards also. You just need to have a little bit connect with some of the guys. A little extra effort would be there if you're not campus placement. A campus placement would hands you with a head start for this. But definitely in both of the scenario, I have many colleagues who don't get campus placement, but they are currently at an equivalent package, like switching their company. So it's not like that if your start is late, you won't be ended there. After 5 years, 6 years, you all would be at the same position only because
ये
that's how the market works.
राइट। एंड ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जैसे इस बार भी बहुत अच्छा कैंपस नहीं हुआ सीएमए इंस्टीट्यूट का, बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो जॉब नहीं मिला है। बट आप अगर जो भी लोग ये रौनक का इंटरव्यू देखेंगे कि अगर ऑन कैंपस जॉब नहीं भी मिलता है तो भी मार्केट में लेम्पल ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, एंड जस्ट इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ 6 मंथ्स और 1 ईयर 2 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस, अब उसके बाद लेवल बिल्कुल सेम हो जाता है। तो अभी क्या प्रोफाइल है रौनक आपका टाटा मोटर्स में?
I'm a business controller for Pune division. So
ओके। और बिजनेस कंट्रोलर का प्रोफाइल, एंड बिकॉज आई हैव आल्सो बीन इनटू कॉर्पोरेट, सो बिजनेस कंट्रोलर इज अ वेरी हाई इन डिमांड इन द मार्केट। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
hmm.
सेक्टर में बिजनेस कंट्रोलर वाले प्रोफाइल वाले बंदे की बहुत नीड रहती है, और हर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर पिक करना चाहता है आपको। अगर एक आप अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट में अगर आपने बिजनेस कंट्रोलर का प्रोफाइल देखा है तो रौनक, अब ऐसे ऐसा होता है कि अगर अभी भी देखो या ढूंढो तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे।
Yeah, I have. To be really frank, I have many offers. But yeah, I want to stay with Tata only, so that's why
तो
I've been
टाटा
into it.
इज अ
Yeah,
टाटा, राइट?
I'm easily getting jobs.
द
That's
वैल्यू
not a big issue for
सिस्टम,
me.
राइट राइट, द वैल्यू सिस्टम द टाटा ग्रुप फॉलोज, इट्स नाइस, इट्स मतलब लाइक आप लकी हैं अगर आप टाटा ग्रुप में हैं तो रौनक अभी, सो ओवरऑल मतलब जितने भी लोग कॉमर्स पास आउट करके आ रहे हैं, ट्वेल्थ जिन्होंने किया है, ठीक, आप उनको क्या गाइड करना चाहोगे? अगर आपकी तरफ आप बोलो कि ट्वेल्थ, दो तरीके से मैं आपका ओपिनियन जानना चाहती हूँ। एक तो उन लोगों के, उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिन्होंने ट्वेल्थ कॉमर्स लिया है, अभी ट्वेल्थ पास आउट किया है या सिंपली ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं, और एक उन लोगों के लिए जो ऑलरेडी सीएमए में हैं, अभी न्यूली एंट्रेंट है, इंडस्ट्री में घुसे ही हैं। दोनों लोगों के लिए आप क्या बात बोलना चाहोगे? आपकी तरफ से क्या मैसेज?
या एक चीज जो मैंने पर्सनली फील करी, as the tenure for CMA is little bit less as compared to CA, so you can easily get qualified at the age of 21, 22. You won't realize this fact at current moment, but you will definitely realize after 6 years. I know it's a simple statement, but if you will just give the mix of annuity concept of the income you are earning at 21, 22, you are having a degree at 21, 22, the opportunities you are having for next 4 years for doing further studies, your masters, even move foreign also for doing masters. You
Okay.
can do 2 years of work ex, and you can move to some startup or thing if you want to pursue that thing. But you can have a master's from foreign that fit your own money also. After working with 2 years of work ex, then moving to for some master's degree. Then after coming at 26, matlab just do an apple to apple comparison. One guy coming to job, giving an interview at 26, and you having an experience of giving interviews, working with corporates, then also having further additional educations, and then again moving towards it. No need to say in this thing when you will coming with this thing at 26, you don't even have to speak, your body language will speak.
Right.
That sort of comparison between the two different guys would be there.
एंड यू नो देख, मतलब कितना बड़ा करियर स्पैन आपका हो जाता है। आप 21-22
Hmm.
साल में इफ यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग, तो लाइक जब
Hmm.
तक 27-26 साल जो एक एवरेज हमारी सोसाइटी में सेटल होने की है, एक बहुत लंबा टाइम
हाँ,
पीरियड है। आप जॉब कर
I
लो।
really like to add on to this point. Malab, I am basically from Rajasthan only. So definitely there will be urgence from your family, 28, 29. There is a need for more settled life. And everybody have a urges to do many things in their life. But if you qualified at 25, 26, there are not much opportunities or left for you to take risks. But at 21, 22, you have an ample amount of things to. You are earning by your own, so you can take your decisions. So it's like testing yourself in the market, doing things you wanted. And then 27, 28, even you succeed, then it's well to do. If you even don't succeed, you have a good job with you, at a handsome amount of earning packages and a qualified degree. You can move to a normal middle class settled life. So it's give you an opportunity which other course might not be giving. So my advice would be this, for those who are coming after 12th, they should have a clear set of mind. Well, it's not only up to the CMA only. There should be clear thought that okay, now once we are into CMA, so my first objective is to clear it by 21, 22, then have a good job. And those who are also into this provision who have already committed this thing, then don't have a second eye over other things. It's better to first crack what you have in your hands. There's ample opportunities left after 21, 22. Most of the guys realize what they have to do at 21, 22. And if you are holding a degree at 21, 22, it's really a privilege. I don't realize that. I even didn't realize at 21, 22 when I was holding this degree. But many of my friends or my seniors used to tell me. Now I'm recognizing what is the substantial gain I was having, that head start for that portion. So there is a many things you can even do after 21, 22. So my first thing, my advice would be this for you guys only this: don't look for if and but. If you have once committed for CMA, it's a very short span. Rather to focus on the studies and get it cleared. There's a
राइट।
much more to go ahead. You can do many things after that.
बिल्कुल। मतलब अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन के साथ अगर आप सीएमए जैसी क्वालिफिकेशन ले पा रहे हो, सो यू आर प्रिविलेज।
Hmm.
प्रिविलेज हो आप।
Exactly.
22 साल में यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग, करियर प्लान कर सकते हो,
Hmm.
स्टार्टअप कर सकते हो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में जा सकते हो, रिस्क ले सकते हो, बैंक बैलेंस
Hmm.
बना सकते हो।
हाँ.
फॉर द स्टडीज वो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपके पास खुल जाते हैं। डिपेंडेंसी नहीं रहती है पेरेंट्स पे। इवन यू कैन
Hmm.
सपोर्ट टू योर फैमिली एट एन वेरी अर्ली
Exactly.
एज।
Many of them are supporting. Hmm.
यस यस यस। सो बहुत मतलब लाइक बहुत सारे लोग जब आपको रौनक यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो दे विल गेट दी इंस्पिरेशन। और मैं मतलब हम रौनक के बैच में ही बहुत सारे लोग हैं, इनका पूरा बैच बहुत अच्छी जगह बहुत अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट्स में सेटल है। वन बाय वन इनके सारे दोस्तों से भी हम आपको मिलवाएंगे। एंड एवरीवन हैज डिफरेंट स्टोरी। जब जैसे हमने आपको कीर्ति का इंटरव्यू दिखाया तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप सीएमए से एसएपी में कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं, वो एसएपी कंसल्टेंट बन गई। ठीक है, प्रांजल का अपना एक व्यू पॉइंट था। रौनक कहते हैं 21-22 साल में कमाने लगे और क्या चाहिए आपको अब उसके बाद। मतलब जितना समय आपके पास है आप मतलब यू कैन प्ले फ्रीली। आप कुछ भी कर सकते
Hmm.
हो जो आप चाहो। राइट। ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच। और आई विश कि टाटा मोटर्स बहुत अच्छी कंपनी है, जर्नी आपकी बहुत अच्छी रहे और बहुत सारे लोग आपके जैसे हमारे यहाँ से सीएमए बन के जाएं। एंड आई वी विश कि वो अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट्स में प्लेस्ड हो। थैंक यू सो मच रौनक हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और मतलब इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए। क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना, जब आप कॉर्पोरेट में होते हो और जब हमने रौनक
Yeah.
को बोला कि रौनक एक शॉर्ट कन्वर्सेशन करना है आपसे, टाइम चाहिए, सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू। बहुत आसानी से है ना, वो रेडी हो गए कि ठीक है मैम, थर्सडे को अपन 7 o'clock मिलते हैं और हम बात करते हैं। तो ये भी एक बहुत अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज दिस वे ही इज सपोर्टिंग टू हिज कम्युनिटी, कि जब मैं कर सकता हूं तो बहुत सारे और भी मेरे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कर सकते हैं, जिन्हें आई थिंक करियर गाइडेंस ही नहीं होती है। ठीक है, सो थैंक यू सो मच रौनक।
Yeah.
एनी लास्ट मैसेज फ्रॉम योर साइड?
No, first of all, thanks to you, ma'am, for giving this. And even though for all the speakers, matlab, even though for anything you want to connect with me, you can connect me over LinkedIn. I always like to help you whenever I can, what extent I can help you guys. I am always available for this thing. And one more thing, that never to settle in your life. Matlab, even though if you just concluded your CMA, there are much more thing awaiting for you.
Right, right.
You
Very
can even go from masters from IIM, or you can even do for some foreign universities. There's a much way ahead. Matlab, once you get to matlab, once you start studying and matlab, get a professional degree, your mind start working in a different way.
right.
You are able to see other scopes which are available in the market, how you can pursue that thing. You can capitalize that thing. Everybody get this opportunity to see the scope in the market. But if you see at the 26, 27, you can't capitalize that thing, or due to some other things. But at 22, 23, you can easily capitalize those things. So yeah, my advice just for all youngsters is that never settle for anything less what you have aimed for.
बिल्कुल। और
And always aim
ये
higher.
जो कह रहे हैं ना, डोंट लेस फॉर दी सेटल, इन्होंने करके दिखाया है ना। बिकॉज सरकारी कंपनी छोड़ने के लिए ना गट्स होने चाहिए, बड़ा दिल चाहिए होता है। ऐसे दिल पे पत्थर रख के आराम की नौकरी छोड़ी जाती है, बिकॉज यू आर एंटरिंग फ्रॉम कंफर्ट जोन टू डिसकंफर्ट जोन।
I want just to add on this thing, or this my personal memory only. When I was leaving that government company, na, matlab, I have a span of 3 years. It's more like a family. Everybody was knowing me so, and they were so pleased with my work. Not even a single guy ever requested me to not change my decision. So I can tell you around 50 to 100 people I've meted before giving my resignation in my notice period. Around 50 to 70, I really recognize. I've meted them personally. They have invited me for a tea, on a come here. And everybody have told me, don't leave, don't leave. If you want some support from me, I will talk with you, whatever increment you wanted. But this is a very good opportunity, don't leave. But I have a clear thought in my mind. So then my manager also supported me. Okay, if you want to pursue with this opinion, go ahead. So that sort of the concern was there in that government company. And definitely, I personally think that that's a fruitful thing for me.
So thank you so much Ronak, and he is a proud DCCN. सो थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। एंड लिंक्डइन पे अवेलेबल हैं, आप इनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, रौनक जाजू, CMA रौनक जाजू के नाम से। और इसके अलावा इंस्टा पे है क्या?
Yes, ma'am. I will do mention that thing to you. You can mention in that
तो आप
YouTube video my LinkedIn ID or Instagram
हाँ,
ID.
ठीक है।
Wherever you want to connect with me, I am available.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। ओके।
Okay, madam.